Spectrum Mobile makes changing your plan incredibly straightforward, aligning with industry trends for flexibility and no contract commitments. You can easily upgrade or downgrade your service directly through the My Spectrum app, on their website, or by calling customer service. Changes can be effective immediately or at your next billing cycle, offering great convenience. When upgrading, expect prorated charges, while downgrades might require no outstanding balances and could take 24 to 48 hours to process to prevent misuse. Spectrum also leverages AI-driven plan recommendations in their app, which analyzes your data usage to suggest personalized upgrades or downgrades, making it even easier to find the perfect plan for your needs. Spectrum Mobile offers various plan types to suit different needs. Individual plans range from $10 to $75 per month. Family plans cost $40 to $150 for 2 to 10 lines, and data-only plans are available from $5 to $15 for devices like smart home tech without voice service. Most Spectrum plans include unlimited data, but speeds may throttle after reaching a threshold. For example, the $30 plan throttles after 22 gigabytes, while others deprioritize after 15 to 50 gigabytes. This means your connection slows down during peak times to manage network capacity. Hotspot data is included in many plans. Unlimited hotspot is available on plans $50 and above, while basic plans cap it at 10 gigabytes with speeds up to 5 megabits. Higher tiers offer uncapped hotspot speeds for streaming and sharing. Plan changes are prorated, meaning you'll only pay for the days used in the new plan. Taxes and fees apply to all plans, but autopay can save you $5 to $10 per month through discounts.